Well, hello, and welcome to Art Money Success Podcast. I'm Maria Brophy, and today I'm going to talk about 3 ways to find buyers for your art. Now, first, I'm going to start by saying who buys art? People do. People buy art. So, what are 3 ways that's worked for me? And these are the easier ways. Okay. And this is great, even if you don't have a website, even if you're not putting your art on Etsy, if you don't have an online platform where you're showing it regularly. These are 3 tips for you. Okay. Number one, people you know. Number two, people you don't know yet. And number three, people at companies. So I'm going to go into detail with each one of those. And so, people you know, this is the easiest sell. And even if you're just starting out and you haven't really sold much art or any at all, how do you reach out to people you know without being salesy, without selling? It's so easy. This is all you do. It's just like what you do with a friend when you get a new car and you text a picture of your car and you say, "Oh my God, look at my new ride. I love it." Kind of like that, except instead you send a picture of your art to friends and family, the painting or the piece of art that you just completed. And you just say, "Hey, check this out. What do you think of it?" And you do this either through a text or a direct message through a social media account, through Facebook, whatever, and put feelers out. Now, you don't have to ask them to buy it. You're just showing it to them. That's how all sales begins, is just showing somebody something. Now, if somebody comes back and says, "Oh my gosh, I love it, must have it," or they might come back and say, "That's really awesome. And you know who would love that? My neighbor, so and so." So that's how you start the conversation. All art sales is a conversation. And it's so much easier to have a conversation and to make a sale with someone you know. So that's how you start. Now, number two, how do you reach people that you don't know yet? Social media is great for this. So you're already connecting with people on social media, whether you use LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram or uh, Pinterest, 100 other ways, Reddit, all the things. So you can share a photo of your new artwork on one of those social media platforms, and you can invite people to let you know what they think of it. And you can also add a call to action to your post. And call to action is simply you saying, "Hey, if you love this and you can't live without it, DM me." And that's how you start the conversation with people you don't know yet. Now, the third thing that you can do, and this is the most effective, is people at companies. Now, a lot of people are hesitant to spend their own money, right? But most people have no problem spending their boss's money, somebody else's money. And so that's why this is so effective. So, how do you reach the right people at companies? Well, first of all, what is very effective is if you know that there's a new building going up. For example, right now we have a new restaurant going in town here where I live, and it's called something like the Cowboy Restaurant, something with cowboys. Oh, I know. It's called Coastal Cowboys. That's it. Well, one of the artists that I represent, an artist named Phil Roberts, he makes art of surfing cowboys. Like nobody does that, right? He's probably the only person that really does that in the world. So I have reached out to somebody that I know that is related to one of the owners of this company. And that is how I'm working to get a meeting with the owner, because they're going to need art on their walls. They're in the construction phase right now, so there's still time. So that's what you can do. You look around and notice what new buildings are being built. Is there a new real estate office being built? A new tech office? That's the best. Tech companies have a lot of money for art. They love art, and they're not afraid to spend money on art. And so you simply just reach out through LinkedIn, or you just go to that place and find out who's in charge of putting art on the walls in this new place. And that's it. And have a conversation. That's it. I want to invite you to check out my Art Money Success Mastermind. There's a link in the show notes. And in the mastermind, we talk about how to approach people, what language to use, what to say. If you're a shy artist, we help you make it really easy. And a lot of the artists in the mastermind have been having tremendous art sales success because they're using a lot of the strategies that I've learned over 25 years of selling art. So I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, give me a like, give me a follow, check out the mastermind, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.